Update your Windows 10 PC to Windows 11 with Microsoft Official Update. Click on the Windows icon. Search for Windows inside your program settings. Click on it. Click on the Get Started button. If you are not signed into your account, click on the link Account. Sign into your Microsoft account. Enter your Microsoft credentials. Click on the Sign In button. Click on Next. Click on the Dev channel. Click on Confirm button. Click on Confirm. Now restart your PC. It is not recommended to use Windows 11 as your primary operating system because it is currently in the development phase and has many issues. After restarting, click on the Windows icon. Search for Check for updates. Here you can find Windows 11 Insider Preview is downloading. If you cannot find the Windows 11 Insider Preview update, click on Pause Update for 7 days. Then click on Resume Update. Still, you cannot find. Check updates after 10 to 15 minutes. As you can see, Windows 11 updates are downloading. It might take time. After downloading completed successfully, you find a Restart button. Click on it and restart PC. Log into Windows. Congratulations, you successfully upgrade to Windows 11. Thank you so much for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe. Thank you.